Hi, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to my side of the room. I have a set of nail polishes that I bought. I found them. It was some kind of an ad on the internet. I don't know if it was off of Facebook or Instagram, or I think it was Instagram actually. And I followed the link, and the company is called, I'll look it up because I don't know. The company is called Lights Lacquer. And the reason that I bought the set was that it is inspired by the series, the TV series Friends. I think it says that it's a collaboration with Friends. It was a limited time collection, 8 creamy classic hues inspired by the timeless 90s nostalgia and favorite moments from the decade-long series. I ordered them. I got them in like 5 days, and I am in love with these. I've already opened it, but they're still in their boxes because I really want to show you these boxes. They're so cool. When you see this, I'm blown away by the detail that they put into these polishes. So let me show you. I feel like I should put down a different mat because these are actually not hollow taco like the last few have been. Okay, well that didn't really work. That's okay. Actually, I think I'm going to do this on black because I am so pleased with this. All right, this is the packaging. So you have your frame that's on Monica's door, and it's purple like the inside of Monica's door. And then you can see the name at the bottom. This one's called Relaxy Taxi. As you can see, it's a yellow. So when you open them, let's not break a nail. With a little latch. When you open it up, do you recognize the outside of Monica's door? Isn't that cool? I went, poor Ethan's trying to read, and I went running into there going, you look at this, look at this. And this is the bottle. So here's the front with the couch. And then you've got the frame, and you've got a lobster, and you have the coffee cup. Aren't those awesome? And it's still the color of her door. The top is the color of her door. I just thought that the packaging, just the packaging, was so well thought. I'm really impressed with this. So I'm going to figure out a way to display these boxes because I think the boxes are so cute. So that is Relaxy Taxi. We have a very light lavender called The One Wear. We have a pale turquoise called We Were on a Break. We have, what color is that? Kind of an orange. Not really brick. Terracotta. It's a terracotta. It's called Unagi. Here we have a fuchsia. And this one is called How You Doin'? And yes, you have to do the correct accent for all of these. All right, here we have an interestingly vivid green, almost like a chalkboard green, called Central Perk. There's 2 left. This one is kind of an orangish red. It's called He's Her Lobster. And lastly, I saved this one for last because this was from the last episode. This gorgeous blue is called I Got Off the Plane. So I'm going to swatch these. I couldn't help myself last night. I had to swatch one of these because I thought there's no way these are going to be any good. It's just a gimmick, and I love the gimmick, but that's all it is. No, not a gimmick. That is 2 coats and a top coat. Just like any other polish, these are legit. I'm really happy with these. So that one's already been swatched. All right, the first coat was very thin, but the second coat totally redeemed it and did cover it fully. I don't know if we're going to expect that from the lighter shades. I did want to show you, it's got a nice brush. It's got one of the wide ones. So you can do a decent amount of coverage at one time. See, the first coat is a little streaky, but you can tell that that's going to build really easily. I mean, that should be a 2 coat. Without a doubt. Yes, Linda, just crash into the table and the camera. That's fine. Nobody minds. All right, this one is the One Wear. And the blue one started out with a little bit of streaking too, like this. So they're not 1-coaters, but it really is a nice polish. At first I thought it was going to be too thin. This one is We Were on a Break. Linda's growling at nothing. I seriously don't know what she's growling at. Look how pretty that is. Linda, shush. That was a pretty good coverage. Huh. There's a baseball cap hanging behind me. That's what she was growling at. She thought it was a person. Unagi. Oh my Lanta dog. Somebody is walking by. I don't know why I keep doing this out of frame. They're very smooth. Yeah, I'm really... That's an interesting color too. Actually, these are all different. That blue is a really pretty... In real life, it's a little duskier than what I'm seeing in the camera, and this is duskier than what I'm seeing in the camera. And the camera, let me turn off the flash. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, still not showing up true colors. Okay, so we've got How You Doing? Anytime I got new polish, I'm doing good. Oh, I like that color, I like that color, I like that color, I like that color. Ooh, turning the flash back on. Ooh. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's super streaky, but it's not... It'll be fine on the second coat. Wow. Oh, I like that color. It's kind of a plummy fuchsia. It's not showing up plummy on the camera. But trust me, it's plummy. Okay, this one was Central Perk, and this one is, to my eye, it looks like a chalkboard, like a green chalkboard color. It's not really coming out chalk. Well, yeah, I guess it is coming out like a chalkboard green. I think it's so interesting how the camera changes the color of stuff. It like makes the hollows pop and stuff. It's kind of interesting. All right, this is He's Her Lobster. And it's a little redder. It's a reddish orange, but it's a little redder than what's showing up. It's kind of a tomato. I know it's supposed to be lobster, but I'm seeing tomato. Okay, and then I already showed you the 2 coats, plus the top coat of blue is already done. I got excited and I got off the plane. All right, so there's 1 coat of everything except the blue. So these look like they looks like they dry matte, which is nice. I always like that. I always find that so much easier to know when it's dry, if it goes matte. Because you're going to most likely put the glossy top coat on it anyway. So it might as well dry matte so that you know it's dry. If it dries glossy, how do you know it's dry? Okay, don't know if we're going to get full coverage on 2 coats with this one. I'm trying. I'm trying to make the 2nd coat thicker. Yeah, that's Relaxy Taxi. Is probably not going to be a 2-coater on my nails. I would probably go 3. But in case you're new here, my swatches are always 2 coats and a top coat, consistently across the board. Okay, that one was, put the cap back on it, the One Wear. And that is, it's actually a very pretty purple. Speaking of very pretty purples, in case you didn't see the last video, this is Party of One Purple by Hollow Taco. And then I put everything, oh, I already chipped one. Everything Taco on top of it here. This is Smoke Show. And then this is a Maniology stamp that I did over the Party of One Purple. So this was the last manicure I did. All right. This is We Were on a Break. That's pretty. It's a very seashore blue. All right, Unagi. Trying to think of what use I would have for a polish called Unagi. What would this... Oh my Linda dog. What would this be good with? Linda, stop. Linda, no talk. All right. How you doing? 2nd coat. Okay. Yeah, I'm really glad that these are good polishes. Not that it mattered. I thought it was such a cute little concept that they were all named after something. Friends. Plus, I was able to get the whole set. Oh, and I got them half price. They were on sale for, I think, $3.50 a bottle. So, and I was able to get all of it. So I'm going to go check out this Lights Lacquer and see what else they sell. If all of their polishes like this, I'm okay with that. I love when the stick dries and it looks like a jelly. Not a jelly polish, but literally a candy jelly. It always amuses me. Yeah, this one seems to be a different kind of, almost a different kind of polish. It really does seem to be more of a jelly than a creme. I don't know. Okay, there's all 8 of them. I love it. I absolutely love this set. I would definitely recommend it if you were a huge Friends fan and you love nail polish. I would absolutely recommend this. Just for the adorable packaging alone, it was worth the $3.50 for the bottles. Okay, that's all I had to show you today. That was a short one. I appreciate you sticking around, and I will see you around. Bye-bye.